Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to mark a chat as unread on the WhatsApp PC app, thanks to the latest update. This handy feature can help you manage your conversations more effectively, ensuring you never forget to respond to an important message. So, let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open your WhatsApp desktop application. If you haven't already, log in by scanning the QR code with your mobile WhatsApp. Once you're in, you'll see all your active chats lined up on the left side of the screen. Next up, take a moment to find the specific chat that you want to mark as unread. This can be any conversation, whether it's with friends, family, or colleagues. Just scroll through the list and locate it. Now, here comes the crucial step. Right-click on the chat you wish to mark as unread. This action will open a context menu with several options. Finally, click on Mark as Unread. And that's it. Your chat will now have a fresh unread status, making it easier for you to remember that you need to reply later. This feature is perfect for keeping track of messages that demand your attention, but that you may not be able to address immediately. It's a simple yet effective way to stay organized. So, next time you need a little reminder in your chats, just follow these easy steps. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your favorite apps. See you in the next one.